Khubor Laitkam session part Temata nganonra epi sebagai Khubor Laitkam hikai tikidon kumbalai tli ki post ki balai but iwe gidei but gawe sepang lab assistant dengan plate mune required submitting upper primary school invite an application in standard form for 2 posts of assistant teacher ad hoc p kene kadai jongki UP namta kadai post pada kadai jongki ad hoc as per NCT norm TPD ban pass BSc na ZVZ na PCB DLED BEd with MTED pian pass MTED marba namban hikai ki UP pian kame ka MTED tekane kadai jongki UP MTED BA pass DLED BEd MTED with computer ma namta kane ka ar pian ban computer ro BA pass DLED na BEd MTED with computer. Last date of application is 15 September 2022 and interview 16 September 2022 at school premises. Application should reach to the headmaster of school. Contact number Kandai Prandru Lai Not Way Lai Kandai New Way Wanubar Kandai Lai Ndru Way Lai New Lai Praway Jongki UP section. Okay, next second way part Saint Francis the RCC Higher Secondary School Mau Kasyang required history teachers having knowledge of political science qualification MA BEd. Last date to submit the document is on or before the 16/9/2022. Piaban submit last day khandring. Interview will be on the 19/9/2022 Monday khandring interview. Timing 10 AM onwards. Contact number ki number ban phone ban klibnya de khandai lai new nreu not khandai asan nreu one ar pra new pra new nreu ar khandai sound khandai. But namta I lab assistant kene kede jong deficit post. Application are invited for the post of chemistry laboratory assistant deficit at St. Michael Higher Secondary School Umsning. Minimum qualification 12 pass science and lab experience 3 years. Piawandon ka experience kumalai sneme. Last date is 19/9/2022 3 PM at school office. Take number phone ladap I jemut ba nam tak application bi piaban punpoi ki school ane piaban phone yaki number phone ki balai. Itang kini ki jemput Khubor Laitkam.